This is The Aura. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. Rashawn Patterson, the man charged with the murder of social media influencer Anika Slickiana Townsend, was remanded when he appeared in the St. James Circuit Court on Thursday morning. A bail hearing had been expected for Patterson. However, when the case was called up, the prosecution told Justice Andrea Thomas that several items were outstanding. Among the outstanding items are DNA comparison, forensic, and vehicle tracking reports. Patterson's attorney Michelle Thomas did not pursue a bail application. Patterson is booked to reappear in court on March 9, 2023. A Jamaica Defense Force senior officer accused of sexual misconduct has been asked to resign from the organization following an internal investigation. In a release on Thursday, the JDF said its investigation, which began in October, found that the soldier breached its Sexual Harassment Prevention Policy 2018 and the Personal Relationships and Fraternization Policy. The JDF said its defense board has since called for the resignation of the officer, which will result in the termination of all benefits post-service. It said the victims have been advised of their right to make official reports to the police. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says COVID-19 and Mpox cases continue to remain low. Tufton made the disclosure during the Ministry of Health and Wellness end-of-year press conference held at the ministry's head office on Thursday. Tufton said the Health Ministry continues to monitor infection rates, which show that during the week of December 6 to 12, there were 42 new COVID cases and 5 newly recorded deaths, which occurred during December 2020 and October 2021. As for Mpox, Jamaica has 18 cases overall with 1 active case. Of the 18 recorded cases, 2 were imported while 16 were transmitted locally. And in entertainment, Dirty Rock, the Grammy-winning album by international recording artist Sean Paul, has been certified triple platinum for sales exceeding 3 million copies in the United States. The certification by the Recording Industry Association of America was issued Wednesday. Dirty Rock, which recently celebrated its 20th anniversary, is Sean Paul's second studio album. Offset and wife Cardi B are vacationing in Jamaica. The rap super couple landed on the Rock earlier this week for Offset's 31st birthday and have been spotted at Duns River, Margaritaville, and Blue Hole in Ocho Rios, and also at the Ramesh Entertainment headquarters in Kingston. Offset is a third of the Grammy-nominated rap trio Migos, which recently lost member Takeoff in a shooting in the US. Offset is expected to host a party at the Mecca nightclub in St. Andrew on Friday night. This has been The Aura. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.